Margo bengi akigima mwanchu murigerere bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV maega yoko banka ase ngaki entambe osege kaki wiki ya mabono kulende na ikirege gase studio ase mesa ya mangana maya egere tumanye na yagendete gokoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii rituko lya rero kenyengima nigaborokiwa bakirasi gya kyanda bagenderete goika ase chiskuru ao chiri barangeretiwe bunenchere ya mayogo chake ntunde ntangani ya masoma abo ase kirasi ekyo ya kyanda abaliki baitu mangana maya no barase chiskuru ao kwenekya na kyumoroberu yogendete gokoreka ase chinsemo ao chingaki ekyo mwaziri bwe chisemi Ezekiel Machogo nero bwegana ikirana ase skuru emo ime county ya Nairobi abwase aine kyumoroberu yubogo chaki wakwa boroki wabakirasi ya kyanda goswa ase chiskuru imense ya Kenya nkwana yae ndochiko nyora sigekege kekirebosyo chingaki ekyo emo waziri bobolendi waime kidure kindiki nero nyare kobaga kwerera amatuke miemo korwaso bisibuno mawaziri bobolendi waime naralya ikiranire na inde naralya yarengete gucyo guikirania samatukari bosyo ase kolengana nere gose kolengana bune kolengana ne wizara bakolire bujana gotema kubwaterana nabyombe by'abanyanyimbo ao asense ya Kenya kweneke bunango keya bare obwibi bwetugo amo no bosagani bw'abantu anene korwase chinsemo buna West Pokot Turukana Elgeyo Marakwet ne chinsemo chinde ayo maranda mango mancho moligereria asenchira yobwenge asegekege kekirebosyo urenda sibalimo gotobate gwetere mitandao no tole Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsema ya Facebook no baygo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube nkoira nanda segekege kekirebosyo egarankomanye ayo maranda mange asenchira yobwenge. Nteni gonkoro kwa sara Nyarangi Ontita no leto kubwaterana komo kurwa sensemo yibimanyerelyo nigakuro kwa Joshua Auta tigato chakereri tukuli nene anene kurwa se county ya Nyamira ne county ya Kisii asaboroki wabwe kirasi ya kyanda bachaka goso ase chiskuru ao chiri banyarete ko bachiko gose chiri banyarete ko bakorangeliwa tigato chake kurwa se county ya Nyamira mulikito job mangi nagendete kutubwatelia mange kolendo tubwateire chiskuru ibere gati ya skuru ya Nyamira Boys abo asakwana no mo principal George Onkundi oyo motayibuna aboroki wachimiesa to baliki wetayare chinga kya bande bagenderete koliki watikatanyore nkwana yo mo principal George Onkundi.
My name is George Onkundi, principal Nyamira Boys High School. We have received 320 for months as at now, and most of them are getting in. The queue, as you can see, is long, but we are doing all possible that the parents don't stay at school for long. So in 1 hour's time, they can finish the steps from the first to the fourth. That is having uniform and labeling, and then parents leaving school. We have not had many challenges, except a few where parents who had been admitted to Nyamira Boys, students who had been admitted to Nyamira Boys, made requests in other schools and went ahead to transfer in that they were admitted here, but then they made requests in other schools, and those schools went ahead changing in names so that now, as of today, they don't appear in the system. But that is very simple because at the end, the school where a student comes physically to study is where the student is registered for.
Chinga kie chobo igo molikyo yuito job mangi kurwase county yuyo ya Nyamira na talira wikase skuru ya banyaruka ya Sironga abo asasangire no mwalimu monene oyote biru morobile no gendere tasebono na boroki wa bange nigo beso kena wikirana ase eskuru iyo.
My name is Mrs. Odhiambo, Principal Sironga Girls. Today we are receiving Form 1s for the year 2023. For now, I would say we are almost a full house. The government gave us 562 girls, and as at now, over 400 have reported. So we are looking to receive 98% by the end of the day today. We have not had much of a challenge because the process is seamless. We also have engaged the security personnel from the immediate sub-county, that is Nyamira, to help us in managing traffic and both human and motor vehicle traffic. Otherwise, all I can say is that by the end of the day today, we shall be at 90% done with Form 1 admission, the year 2023.
Chingakie choba igo mwanchu murigereria toirana wikase county ya Kisii ase skuru yaba mura ya Kisii school morikito Mildred Momanyi nere no ara sense meyo kwene kiangana kiaba mura abo bakurikirwa na gochaka goswa asa masomo abo yentunde ntangani asa masomo ye skuru ye secondary nigo anyara ko bakago kwana na gati abaiboli abo bacha na borokirwa elyo kwerikia abo asense me abaiboli banyara ko bakomotebya buna morobile no genderete buya no nye amubaro bwa borokirwa koro monene mbali no kwegena na bonsi ngo chabale kulikirwa ile kwenyorera libaga ase skuru eyo
Amayia tangulo employment migiro babu no moibuli omogena kire Kisii school no ale na right na mwana ondega iga lakini ndo chenga environment yerega nengire kabisa nabo igo mantu na toigeta nje na ikara 9:30 lakini nasuguri keiru vilivyo na ndera ini mbwange kogenda antu me na waibuli abange gaiga abange kabisa baru kukinse mwao akomwe na ndari ngorusiro mwana kwale gaikabu tuko bana to nerera ini okore bia na bali mundu ochembia bago toira gaiga ekiagera iko bagasi temono ke abaibuli bali bakorwale egere bairane bagende gukora emirembe ndende nabo ase igo na ande ngo school sana Ndizi tuya soko totalera oranga na kitokorerwa nabo igo ngo school station ye sana kiagera ngo tuwe miseri ya mange igoro ya magenderero au nabo igo buna tokoreta abana gaiga se school ya Kisii school aina na magenderero bad ya se igo ndonda tenga mbia mono magenderero igo no mukioyo abana bitu tibasome egere ka bate ko biongozi bya baadaye
waigo mulikito Ndemo Steven gose captain 001 bakobwatera na Dipon nigo baigo baikase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu abo asibasanga na gati abaiboli abo bagenderete koli kyabana babo eliogoswa ase skuru yo ebi nabyo birengereryo kurwa ase gati abaiboli abo barase skuru ya Nyabururu
asa malieta ngoro kwa Geoffrey Otundo lakini ase lieta lia bosongo bakondo kamatiang ase tora nesegeti kya Nyabururu girls ndocho morobelioro bwa admission mbuyo enderete abantu ndoche mbwango abantu kunya gushukabale raini teyo ntambe nande batora sisheire ase raini yari gochakoba ya labeling batotebirie umwana na bagutigara ache kunya gukora labeling baadaye egera bakurware banyore chingaki chyo koirana igondo cho egasimbu ya enderete kene ngiyoge kongwa nturarura kende kebe bono bari gwanja bakore munando che Nyabururu bagokora iga ba iborie ngakie ere enginyenge egekorera mbare baruete Chinsa mwao bakore umuroberi iga buna ndoche ogenderete na barabuba chiskuru echiba teme ko arakisa buna ga ndoche baendete kwa
ase county ya Nairobi mawaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu naikirana ase skuru ya ime county eyo ilekwane kyo murobeli bwokolikia kwa borokigwa abo bagoswa ase kirasi gya kyanda kolengana na Machogu nigo aereire umubaro mwikirano bwa borokigwa sense ya Kenya ngima abo banyara ko babagoswa gusaba bagendrete goswa ase chiskuru ao ase chingakechi abo igo kwanira igoro yo murobeli mwikirano serikali eroberetie ochakwene kyo bune ntunde ase entang'ani ya masomo ase aborokigwa b'ekirasi gia kianda na tari baraboka korende no embali ba junior secondary school ngochore korigereriwa gose tayaro rigereriwa senchera yobekerano abo asatebire chibesa chia bwatokirwe gochia ase bigancha abye skuru elekwane kyabuna obwororo no morobelio mwekerano nkobwatigwore chingake chiga che calendar ya masomo.
2244. We also did send money to all our primary schools, capitation money, which per pupil is 1,420. And the money that we were able to send to all our primary schools last week is almost 4 billion Kenya shillings. The only amount which we are to send once we get the necessary information that we require of those that have been able to register in junior secondary school is for junior secondary school, and the money is available from National Treasury, and any time from now, once we get the kind of information we require, we will also be able to send the money to all our junior secondary schools. And as I said last time, the amount of money that we are sending to our junior secondary schools per student is 15,042 per student. And we have said that out of that money, which goes to junior secondary school, they should be able to establish bank accounts, because we don't want a mix-up. The money for primary, because the principal is going to be one, the head teacher is going to be one, and the board of management for those particular schools, we are not going to have separate committees. They should be able, however, to make sure that they establish separate and the different school accounts, such that there should be an account for primary school, and there should also be accounts for junior secondary, so that even
na serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii weterase wizara y'oburimi nigo yanyorera abageni batari ababo tambe korwase kaunti ya Kisumu kyombeke moke manyekanete buna Kenya Marine wose Kemfree elyo koligereria gose serikali ya kaunti yo nebegete merobule mekirano elyo gocha goikeranio kubwatana gati ya kaunti ya Kisii ne kaunti ya Kisumu kwene kyabunango kini abale birengo by'oburimi no botugi ase kaunti ya Kisii kobaregania no mwaziri w'oburimi Mosbat Margaret Obaga yogo keire gatambo kerekyo na goteba mbali tayari buna serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii kubwaterana n'ababwatani bali babwate ekerengekia asogokini buremi ase kaunti ya Kisii.
Leo hii tuna furaha sana kwa sababu tumepata wageni kutoka Kenya Marine Research Institute. Wametutembelea hapa kwa mujibu wa kuona namna ya kufanya kazi pamoja. Tungependa kushirikiana kwa ukaribu sana ili ufugaji au ukulima wa samaki uendelee vizuri hapa kwetu Kisii.
Serikali zilizopo ni za national na devolve. Basi tumekuja ili tuonane na viongozi wale wa devolve government kama CEC hapa na pamoja na governor wa Kisii. Tuko na research station hapa Kisii, mahali panaitwa Kegati, na tuko na officers ambao wanasaidia kufanya research kuangalia ni aina gani ya samaki ambao wanaweza kufugwa katika maeneo haya.
Abarokigwa ba ECDE nigo bagendete ku murungania magagaye kyombegyo korenge mesara SRC kogenderera kwe murungania gose kyombegeri kya SRC kogendera kona cha emesara ya borokyabo korengana na barabo nigo bagoteba bakore mireme menene na abandi nigo bagwakanwe ngeri enkemono na igo egetambokero kya SRC koligia kobana chemesara ikinege tambokero kira bairanie magega ke magenderero nigo basabiro muraibwense Dr. William Ruto weso yagati na gotenenia egetambokere kyo kya SRC kogania kobana cha emesara.
We are going to indict that, and that practice, if allowed to continue, we shall see reduction of salaries, which is in contravention of Article 14 of Convention 95 of ILO on protection of wages. We cannot have a policy decision that seeks to revise salaries downwards. It has never happened. It is unlawful, it is unconstitutional. Where is that coming from? We all know that SRC is guided by the provisions of the Constitution on its mandate. SRC, in conducting its mandate, shall observe rule of law, shall observe equality and retention of public officers. Retention of public officers is key. How do you retain public officers in the public service when you are reducing their salaries? Basic salary, 7,000. For God's sake, 7,000. We are challenging that. We want SRC to come on board and tell us what the process went through public participation.
Nabarai bage siasa korwa se Chinsemo ao korwa se vyama ao ase kaunti ya Kilifi niko bachiramo na kugania serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwa wali bagabu n'enchire ya moyo goikirane chi agenda ni chi manifesto chiribalire taba Kenya chira gokwana ase kaunti hiyo niko ba mochire nsemo ya barai bali bakomochia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asokote babunatera ikirania kende gyonsi korwa soa abisi kolende kolengana barai yabo niko batebire siasa yekiro mwelyo ne chinga ke serikali wanatoka walibaga iliyo goikirania onsi iliyo roberretie gochia asaba Kenya.
Sababu tumetoka kwa uchaguzi na mnavyojua uchaguzi huwa na makiki mengi ya matusi, ya kutukanana, lakini siasa zimeisha. Saa hizi ni wakati wa kufanya kazi na tukaonelea kama viongozi tuitane, tuje tuangalie pahali ambapo tulienda makosa, tukakwaruzana, tuweke vichwa pamoja, tuwe na uwiano kabisa. Kwa sababu sote sisi ni watu wa Kenya Kwanza.
Kulingana na mkutano huu tumeletwa pamoja ili kufanya muungano na uwiano pale mahali ambao tulikwazana vyama vyetu vya Kenya Kwanza, especially UDA na kwa sababu kulikuwa na mvutano sana wakati wa campaigns na ile ilitugharimu sana kuona kwamba kura zetu na nafasi za viti katika bunge ambavyo tungepata iliweza kupungua kwa sababu ule mgawanyiko wetu. Ndio maana tumeitana pamoja ili muungano huu uweze kutusaidia kura.
Chideka niko sana na isato maega ya Chinsa Ikomi chiabona mogoroba ngwa kangambia manasi bali mwenzi mwato bwatire gwetera senchera mitandao Ndizi TV News digital nsema ya Facebook na baigo YouTube Ndizi TV News oleto watera nakomo korwa sensema yibi manyerelio nigakuru kwa Joshua Auta ni olene kwa nyoleronsi gwetera senchera ya online na baigo chibicha na Mariogi nigakuru kwa Abigail Nyanchama inyora abaroki wambaira na gusimbaga ndetogoswa ase chiskuru ao bekera ya kianda abaliki baito mbarasi Chinsemo ao bakugendera gokwariganiryo chiko ya nyora senchira yo wikirano ikoragense mone Chinsa isato chobutuko bwarero ikaragucha ko yareterwa noyo Minto Vincent Onyancha twaro buligereria burubya nchini gwankoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.